Let's learn character Xin. Xin evolves from the shape of a heart, and Xin means heart. The heart is in the center of a human chest, so Xin means center. In ancient times, people mistook the heart for an organ for thinking, because Xin means mind, feeling. My heart has never been hit by Cupid's arrow, as if I were wearing bulletproof vest. Xin could be imagined as a heart with 3 blood vessels. I've been eating so much to put on weight, just to occupy more space in your heart. Heart, Xin. Xin means the heart, 人心, human heart. Xin means center, 地心, the earth core. Let's learn character 手. 手 evolves from the shape of a human hand. Character with 手 as a component indicate activities related to hand. 拿 take, 打 hit. Me and my wife always hold hands. If I let go, she shops. 手 could be imagined as 2 fingers crossing through 3 fingers. Never raise your hand to your kids. It leaves your groin unprotected. Hand, 手. 手 means hand. 手拉手, hand in hand. 手 means a person doing or good at a certain job. 能手, a skilled hand. 手 means handy. 手册 handbook. Let's learn character 犬. 犬 evolves from the shape of a dog. 犬 means dog. Characters with 犬 most have to do with dogs and their activities. 狂 going mad. 莽 rash. 猎 to hunt. 犬 could be imagined as the dog in this picture. Man says, "You are like a guide dog." Woman says, "You mean you depend on me?" Man says, "I mean only a blind man wants you." Guide dog, 导盲犬. 犬 means dog, hunting dog, 猎犬, police dog, 警犬, sheep dog, 牧犬. Let's learn character 入. Here is the evolution of 入. 入 means enter. I want to enter the cave. What always enters the house? Through the keyhole instead of the front door. A key. 入 could be imagined as a worm entering a piece of a log. The log says, "Abandon hope, all you who enter here." 入 means enter, 入境, enter a country. 入 means join, 入伍, enlist in the armed forces. Let's learn character 内. 内 evolves from the shape of something inside the cave. 内 means inside. I don't believe in an afterlife, but I'm still bring a change of underwear anyway. Underwear, 内衣. 内 could be imagined as a girl inside a narrow swimming pool. Why doesn't glue stick to the inside of its bottle? Inside, 内侧. 内 means inner, inside. The house is clean, inside and out. Inside and out. 内外.